If you are tired like me of those hefty Mac app prices we're forced to pay, today I'm unveiling the best free Mac software that not only matches, but surpasses the expensive paid programs you're used to, all without the unnecessary extras. These are powerful tools that put you in control, enabling you to get your work done and your creativity flowing, while keeping your wallet happy. Let's kick off with something every Mac user needs: password management. Instead of paying for one password, check out Bitwarden or KeePass XC. Both offer solid security, cross-device sync, and fantastic free plans. Bitwarden even supports unlimited devices. If keeping yourself organized is a must, skip pricey things or OmniFocus. Todoist offers a solid free tier, and if you like command line tools, Task Warrior is perfect for managing tasks efficiently. For creatives, if you're a fan of Photoshop's professional-grade features but not its subscription fees, try GIMP. It's free, open source, and packed with features that rival its paid counterpart. Pair it with Darktable, a stellar free Lightroom alternative for powerful raw photo editing that won't disappoint. Video makers. Final Cut Pro can be pricey, but Kdenlive and Shotcut offer free, open-source alternatives with multi-track editing, transitions, and effects suitable for most projects. If you are running Windows or other OSs on your Mac, VirtualBox is a free alternative to Parallels. While less seamless, it supports multiple platforms and is excellent for free virtualization. When you work with vectors, drop Adobe Illustrator for Inkscape. It's free, powerful, and perfect for designing logos or icons. The interface might not be sleek, but its capabilities are impressive. Syncing files between devices doesn't have to mean compromising your privacy or paying for Dropbox. SyncThing is an open-source, decentralized syncing tool that works across Mac, Android, Windows, and more, keeping your data private and your mind at ease, providing a sense of security that's hard to beat. Window fans, instead of Magnet, get Rectangle. It's free, open source, and comes loaded with customizable keyboard shortcuts to quickly snap and tile windows. For streaming and recording, OBS Studio is the industry standard and is free to use. It's powerful and flexible, though it might take a little time to get comfortable with it. Watching media? VLC Media Player plays nearly every format you throw at it and is totally free. If you're an ebook lover, Calibre is your go-to app. It manages your collection, converts formats, and is a perfect replacement for paid ebook software. Working with PDFs? Instead of Adobe Acrobat, use PDF SAM, Skim, or PDF Arranger to merge, split, and annotate PDFs smoothly. For keeping your Mac neat, App Cleaner uninstalls apps cleanly by removing leftovers. Stats monitors CPU, RAM, and network usage, all from your menu bar. And Caffeine is a simple way to keep your Mac awake when you need it. Developers and writers, don't miss out on Cot Editor, Genie, or Mac Vim. Free and powerful text and code editors, perfect for daily work. And here's a standout: Local Send. If you ever wished AirDrop worked beyond Apple, Local Send is your best bet. It's open source, free, and supports file transfers securely between Mac, iPhone, Android, Windows, and Linux, all over your local network. While both devices need the app running on the same Wi-Fi, its cross-platform reach is unbeatable. Plus, other handy free apps like HandMirror for AI-powered file management, Raycast for powerful productivity launching, and Kika for file compression help extend your Mac's capabilities without costing a dime. In short, whether you need Office Suite power, creative tools, system utilities, or project management, these free and freemium apps have you covered. They might not always be as polished as paid apps, and there could be some differences in user experience, but they deliver massive value, save you money, and many respect your privacy better. Try them out, save some cash, and keep your Mac running strong. In the following video, I'm showing you 5 incredible free AI tools you need to bookmark today. Let me know in the comments which ones are your favorites. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love with your fellow Mac users. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.